Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, July 30th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And gold versus the dollar came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on gold from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So gold is actually going pretty much exactly as planned. I think this is a wave A, I think this is a wave B, and I think we're currently in a wave C. Now we have some very, very big news coming out tomorrow. We got US dollar interest rate FOMC tomorrow, and I will be live streaming on YouTube for that news event, so definitely make sure you stop in for that. Should be a very, very interesting day. They're not expecting to lower interest rates, but you never really know. If they actually do lower interest rates, it's going to be a big surprise to the market, which I don't really think they're going to. But anyways, I think gold is going exactly as planned. I'm definitely still looking for shorts primarily, at least until we actually break this structure right here, which we have not done yet. I think there's a good chance it will go up to at least a 78%. Then if it breaks structure to the downside, I would definitely take it as a short. Maybe this would be a good setup for tomorrow's London session. Maybe it'll start making its way down prior to tomorrow's news, and then I think tomorrow it probably will end up breaking structure to the upside if I had to put some money on it. But we definitely need to reevaluate it tomorrow prior to the news, and I will be live streaming, so definitely make sure you stop in for that to get my latest analysis. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.